for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Work in this video will soon be featured in my Etsy shop, and more can currently be found in my shop at etsy.com/shop/BNWArtDesign. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a small fluid painting using the dirty pour technique. I'm using a 4x4 inch deep edge canvas and also black Artist Loft acrylic flow paint. I'm first going to paint my background black. Also make sure that you get the sides of your canvas. This technique creates a better flow when you do your pour and allows your paint to go off the edges. Put your canvas aside and begin preparing your paints. I'm preparing 4 colors for my fluid painting. I'll be using yellow, lime green, turquoise, and red for my fluid painting. Put all of your colors into the cups. I pre-mixed all of my colors with Floetrol beforehand. Add a little distilled water to each color, little by little. That way it helps to thin out your paint. Be sure to mix your colors up well. Your consistency should be the consistency of melted ice cream. You can add more water as needed. Remember, the more water that you use for your mixture, the more cells that will be formed in your painting. The chemical reaction between the water and the silicone oil makes this cool effect. As you can see here, I'm just mixing my paints and making sure that I have the right consistency. For my thicker paints, I'm using more water, and for my thinner paints, I'm using less water. Now I'll be adding silicone oil to 2 of my paints. I'm adding 3 drops of silicone to my yellow paint and 4 drops of silicone in my green paint. When mixing your silicone into your paints, be sure not to mix too well, as this can decrease your chances of having more cells. I'll be using a plastic mini cup to do my fluid pour. Begin layering your colors one by one into the cup. Be sure not to overlap colors that can create muddy colors. In this case, I don't want to overlap green and red. Sometimes you can already see the chemical reaction in your cup. and our dirty cup is complete. To make my colors blend together on the canvas, I use a mini wooden dowel. Be sure not to overmix or this can create a muddy color. To do your dirty pour, flip your canvas on top of your cup and simply flip them back over. I usually tap the top of my cup just to ensure that all the paint flows down. Waiting. Also feel free to move around your cup and slowly squeeze it, as this can increase the number of cells that you get in your painting. Slowly tip your canvas back and forth until you achieve your desired design. I use my fingers to stop the flow of paint. Although, you can also feel free to use a piece of folded cardboard to catch the paint. Lastly, I just use a mini blowtorch to bring out my cells. This works as it pops the bubbles that are formed during the mixing process. Here, I'm just cleaning up the edges and distributing more paint. And we're done! All there's left to do is dry and varnish. Thanks for watching! Bye! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/LeewayArtisans. Follow me on Instagram at BNWArt_Leeway or on my Twitter at LeewayArtisans.